My friends, Katie, Matt, Colin, Rita, and I decided to go for a weekend to Rita's grandmother's country house. The weather was really nasty. It was pretty stormy outside. So we couldn't go walking as we planned, and we decided to spend a cozy evening in the living room chatting near the fireplace. The weather outside got even worse. There was a powerful gust of wind, and all of a sudden the lights flickered and then went out altogether. "What was that?" said Matt. I told him not to worry, that it was just a power cut. Oof. Honestly, it was a bit frightening. We carried on laughing and telling the scary stories in the dark. After a while, there was a flash of lightning, and we noticed that Colin was missing. No one saw Colin leaving the room. We looked at each other, confused, and felt really scared. We searched the house, calling Colin, but there was no response. We even went outside and walked around the house. Nothing. We returned to the living room. I was about to call 911, but suddenly we heard a very loud snore from the corner of the room. The light came back and we saw Colin. He was asleep on a velvet sofa. Colin sat on the sofa rubbing his eyes and said, "The lights are back. Great." When it was dark, I felt sleepy and felt like snoozing. So I went here and didn't want to bother you guys. All of us felt really relieved.